Let's practice the pronunciation from the story Keeping It from Harold, written by P.G. Wodehouse. Casual, ringside, darning, glowing, diffident, realized, dawns, wildly, mild, waked. Decencies, utmost, astonishment, duke, propitiatory, quailed, dismissed, consternation, slight. Retreated, headedness, mechanically, suspicion, unsuppressed, inhabitants, vouchsafed, extract as noun, extract as verb, assuage, spiteful, acquaintances, identity, exception, weighing, battered, knickerbockers, grinned, suggestive, extremely, tonight, irregularly, delighted, excellent, persuasive, jarred, stature, gaslight, blurred, glittered, chronic, wrathfully, genial, azar, uncomfortable, apparently, companions, curtly, quickness, heredity, abstracted, beaming, awkwardly, sobriety, woe, nervously, battlefield, affected, dumbly, primrose, gentlemanly, anxieties, rapt, England, readiness, smoothness, clutched, nodding, considering, wounded, reviving, scratched, protrude, willingness, seized, rapidity, snatched. Thank you.